Hello everyone, today I'm here with the new video of C++ that how can we draw or how can we make a multiplication table in C++. So let's get started. First we will need to write the very basic of C++ that you might be aware of it, that is hash include. So let me do it very quickly. So now we are done with the basic of C++. So here let me make some kind of beauty, like that is multiplication table. So in order to accomplish this task, that is to make a multiplication table, first we will need to use for loop and then nested for loop. By the term nested for loop, I mean that inside a for loop we will use another for loop. So let's see that how it look like. For I will choose an integer that is I equal 1, and I will say like until I is less or equal 10, then update or increment I. So this is the block of code. Here we will write just like, and as I have told you that you need to use nested for loop, so inside the body of for loop we will use another for loop, that is for, and this time we will use another integer that is int. Let's say the integer is j equal 1, and I will say until j is less than or equal 10, then update j. So here we will write just like as we do in our daily life. So now let me explain the basic algorithm of multiplication table, that how it will give us the product or the multiplication table. So now you might be wondering that why I use the nested for loop. So in order to understand the basic algorithm, let's consider this picture. Here you can see that the first element of each table is updating successively. You can see 1 2 3 4. I'm just taking about the first column. Consider the first column of each table, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and look at the second column, that is also accordingly updating 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in order to do that, here and I, this column, we will achieve this column by int I equal 1, I less than 10, I plus plus, and the second column, that is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, this will be achieved by considering the for loop, that is the nested one. So j equal 1, j less or equal 10, j plus plus. So now you can see that there is a break between these tables. So we will create now this break. Let's see that how can we create this break. We will simply cout, and I will write just like I, and then cross, this is cross, and then j, then I will print out like equal to the product of I cross j, and then in order to create the first break between the table, I will write endl for the first one and for the second one I will add another endl statement, that is end cout end line. So now if I run my code, you can see that it will print the multiplication table. That is, let's check it from the beginning. It is 1 cross 1 equal 1, 1 cross 2 equal 2. So this is the first column and this is the second column. They are sequentially updating themselves. That is because of the nested for loop. So I will provide the code for this multiplication table, but YouTube don't allow usually that to write small less than sign, greater than sign. So make sure that you are aware that these signs are absent, and now you will need to include these. Thank you so much for watching.